Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's fantastic to have you here as always. As you know, in the last video I bolted my clutch back on and basically made a start on getting this transmission back together. Oh, you don't know, I didn't film that, that's right. So I bolted the clutch back on, flywheel clutch pressure plate. In preparation today I want to try and get the transmission back into the car. I'm not going to bother too much with the sticker stuff, but if you haven't grabbed yourself a sticker, head down to the link in the description, grab yourself a sticker. It really helps support the channel, keep me doing what I'm doing. And second to that, I want to ask a bit of a favour of you guys. If you guys want to see this thing on a dyno and get somewhat of a proper tune, firstly head over to the Nugget Garage, go and subscribe to them and check out some of their videos. They're doing some pretty cool stuff, especially just completing a 12s for 1200 challenge, which congratulations to them for that. It's a pretty tough challenge. And thirdly, go and throw a comment in one of their videos and bother them to hook me up with sponsoring me with some dyno time for this beast. They're not really keen on the old Magmobile, so I doubt they'd be too interested in it, but I don't know, who knows, we'll see. So go ahead, go over to their channel, subscribe to them, check them out, go and watch one of their videos and comment in one of their videos for me, and hopefully we can work out either some free or cheap dyno time for me to get somewhat of a tune onto this thing, and well, just see what sort of power it's gonna make. Failing that, there's a Barney's meet coming up February 4, I think. They normally have a portable dyno there. I might consider strapping it on that and just seeing what she's putting down. But yeah, that's about enough of the nonsense for me this morning. I need to go ahead and get this transmission back in the car so that I can get it running and driving again, so that I can go and do these sorts of things, downshift meets, Barney's meets, get it on the dyno, etc. And well, just start driving it again. So after the t56 conversion rundown I gave you guys, I went ahead and then, like I said, I bolted the flywheel clutch pressure plate back onto the engine with the new ARP bolts. One thing to note, if you are going to be buying those bolts or any flywheel bolts, you can only get the ARP ones, I think, in 3/4 inch or 1 inch long. I think 3/4 inches is probably a little bit too short, but these are a 1 inch long bolt. These are what I was using before, and I think 1 inch is just 2 mil too long. So what I did is I took my ARP bolts, just lopped a couple of mil off them on the linisher, and slapped them in there with lots and lots and lots of Loctite. So much so that it was running out of some of the threads. But yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm going to film for you guys today. I've already filmed lots of transmission stuff back in the day when I first started this channel, and well, I don't really want to bore you guys too much with, you know, throwing a transmission into a car. It's painful, especially this t56. It's fucking heavy, but I've got to get it back in there. I'm only by myself. It's gonna be a mission. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to get stuck into it. I got to throw this bell housing on, and then I got to try and slip the transmission back through the clutch into the flywheel and bolt it up somehow. So I'm going to go and stick you guys somewhere down there. Hopefully you'll sort of be able to see, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I think I'm going to stick you guys down here in the corner somewhere. Alright, so that's going to be it from me today. Looks like there's a storm rolling over. About time we need the rain. I'm sure a lot of you guys do as well. So I'm just quickly packing up. Okay, so like I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted by my battery dying. I'm packing up for the day. It's about to rain, I think, finally. We need it. I'm sure that you guys need a lot of rain as well. I've got my new Guibo here, getting ready to put it on. So I decided to cut the camera off and just go ahead and do it, but the gearbox is in, the bell housing's on. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you guys. Yeah, so the gearbox is back on after a lot of struggling. And that was quite a pain in the ass, as you guys would have seen in some of those clips, but I managed. Eventually I managed to get it up, get the jack under it, get the other jack under it, and then slip it into the engine, throw a couple of bolts in it and do it up, and then yeah, from there it went in. I've done all the bolts up, I put the gearbox cross member on, I've done up the clutch hydraulic line, and that's it. I'm soaked in sweat and covered in dirt from head to toe, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go inside, have a shower, get some lunch, and just wait out for this storm. Hopefully that we'll get some decent rain out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys there with that. Hopefully I'll be able to get this back together and running before the downshift meet coming up on 24th. Yeah, so I've still got plenty of time. I don't know what my next video is going to be about. I don't really have anything else to film. I don't really want to bore you guys with this boring transmission crap. I did notice that my input shaft bearing was a little bit unhappy. I might have to yank it back out, pop the front cover off it and throw a new bearing at it. But that's not too hard. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to take it into work on a weekend and do it over a weekend, because I can put it on the hoist and use a transmission jack, which is so much easier. But yeah, I resprung the wastegate, so hopefully I'll be able to get up to 30 pounds stable or above. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for me. Again, go hit up Nugget Garage. Hopefully we can come to some sort of agreement to organise some sort of dyno time for me in this beast. If not, I'm just going to continue road tuning it and then throw it on the dyno at Barney's if there is one there. If that is something you guys want to see, throw down in the comments below. No doubt you guys are going to want to know what it's putting out. I am surely curious. I am cramming the most amount of boost through this motor that I ever have, so I'm kind of curious what it's making. But yeah, hopefully this video won't be too long and boring. Well, you see me struggle with that damn heavy gearbox. I hate the T56 because of that. They weigh a metric ton. Yeah, that's it from me today. Thank you everyone who has subscribed recently. Thank you for all the wonderful comments you guys keep giving me. You guys are probably the best group of subscribers I could have asked for. And yeah, don't forget, grab yourself a sticker if you haven't already. Link is always in the description below. I'm working on some new stickers and merch again. I'm not going to bore you guys with that bullshit. And yeah, throw down in the comments below what you think it's making right now. It's running about 25 pounds of boost stable, peaks at 29, so it's probably making more torque than power down low. But if I had to guess, I'd guess it's somewhere up in the 600 horsepower mark. But I am just guessing, I have absolutely no idea. But yeah, anyway, thank you all again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video with something going on. There's always something going on with this Nugget. But anyway, I'll see you guys then. Bye.